everyone. We are from Group 10. We'll show how to make Eco-Enzyme. Before we show the manufacturing process, we'll introduce myself first. My name is IBRA PRAKASA. My name is EGIL PUTRA. My name is ALKHAIRI. We are from Defense Science Program.
The material we need first are horse, second butter, deer, palm sugar, and 4 fruit skin.
Weigh the palm sugar as much as 1.5 ounce, then weigh the fruit skin as much as 3 ounce.
I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight, yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight,
Some of the functions of eco-enzymes are: first, as a multi-purpose cleaning fluid; 2, plant fertilizer; 3, maize; and 4, preserving the surrounding environment. The date of making eco-enzyme from our group 10, is November 4, 2020.
This is the process of how to make Eco-Enzyme. If we do many mistakes, sorry for that. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.